Welcome to Stoicism of Mind. In a world where choices are limitless and competition is fierce, how do you make someone choose you over others? This is not about manipulation, it's about understanding human psychology, using subtle influence, and mastering the art of attraction through Stoicism and dark psychology. Today, we'll uncover the hidden psychological triggers that make people gravitate toward you. Stay with me till the end, because what you'll learn today will change the way you approach relationships forever. Let's dive into video. 1. Understanding human desire and fear. Human behavior is predominantly driven by two primary forces: desire and fear. Desire represents what people want, whether it's emotional validation, affection, attention, or status. On the other hand, fear arises from what they are afraid of losing: rejection, failure, or abandonment. To make someone choose you over others, you must identify their core desires and align yourself with them, while also addressing their fears. If you can create an environment where their needs are met and their anxieties are eased, you become an attractive choice. This could mean reassuring someone of their worth or showing that you understand their emotional needs. However, it's equally important not to exacerbate their fears. The key is to strike a balance, become the solution to their desires and the antidote to their fears, ensuring that they feel valued, secure, and motivated to choose you over others. 2. The principle of scarcity. The principle of scarcity is a powerful tool in psychology that operates on the idea that people tend to value what they believe is rare or hard to attain. This principle works on both a physical and emotional level. When you are constantly available to others, your value decreases because they no longer feel the need to put in effort to seek your time and attention. By contrast, when you create scarcity, whether by being selective with your time, not always responding immediately, or maintaining a certain level of emotional distance, you generate a sense of rarity. People begin to desire what they perceive as elusive. This creates intrigue and heightens their interest in you. Scarcity can also apply to your energy and attention. By offering these things sparingly, you create a greater sense of worth, making others more motivated to invest in gaining your favor and choosing you over others. 3. The power of ambiguity and mystery. Mystery is one of the most compelling psychological forces when it comes to attraction. Humans are wired to be curious, and when something or someone is not fully understood, it triggers that curiosity. Creating ambiguity and withholding certain pieces of information about yourself leads others to wonder and seek more. People are naturally drawn to what they don't fully comprehend. So when you maintain an air of mystery about your intentions, past, or emotions, you make them want to discover more. This sense of unpredictability creates a psychological push that entices others to invest time and energy into understanding you. However, the key is to strike a balance. Too much mystery may come off as evasive or manipulative, but just enough mystery can keep people intrigued, emotionally invested, and ultimately more likely to choose you. This intrigue ensures that you stay in their thoughts, making you stand out in their minds. The Stoic principle of self-control and emotional mastery. One of the cornerstones of Stoic philosophy is the practice of self-control, the ability to master your emotions and actions, especially in the face of external challenges. In relationships, emotional self-control is a potent tool. It means not allowing others' actions or words to provoke an emotional reaction from you, thereby maintaining your inner peace and clarity of thought. When you consistently demonstrate composure, especially during difficult or emotionally charged moments, you exude an aura of calm strength. This emotional steadiness is highly attractive, as it signals that you are not easily rattled or overwhelmed by circumstances. People respect and are drawn to those who can handle life's stresses with grace. Moreover, when you control your emotions, you also exhibit personal strength and discipline, showing that you are grounded in your values and capable of making sound decisions. This stoic presence makes others feel secure around you and increases the likelihood that they will choose you over others. 5. Confidence. The silent magnetism. Confidence is an irresistible force in human interactions. True confidence, however, doesn't come from external validation or arrogance. It comes from within. When you are secure in who you are and your place in the world, you naturally radiate a quiet, magnetic presence that attracts others. People are drawn to confident individuals because they exude a sense of self-assuredness and trustworthiness. Confidence means that you don't need to seek approval or constantly prove your worth to others. Instead, your actions, words, and body language communicate that you are comfortable with who you are and that you can handle whatever life throws at you. This type of inner confidence creates a sense of safety for others, which makes them feel drawn to you. People want to be around those who don't need external affirmation and who can remain grounded and calm in all situations. Cultivating this level of confidence, rooted in self-acceptance and authenticity, ensures that you stand out and become a desirable presence in any setting. Conclusion. To sum up, making someone choose you over others isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about understanding the deeper psychological principles that drive human behavior and combining them with the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. By embracing concepts like scarcity, mystery, and emotional self-control, and cultivating true confidence and our authenticity, you can position yourself as someone who stands out in a way that feels natural, magnetic, and irresistible. Remember, these strategies should be applied ethically and with respect for others. The goal isn't to control or dominate, but to enhance your relationships in a way that brings mutual value and genuine connection. When you become comfortable in your own skin, maintain emotional composure, and understand the desires and fears of others, you make yourself a person who is both valuable and worthy of being chosen, whether in romantic, professional, or personal contexts. Ultimately, by using these tools wisely and authentically, you will attract the right people into your life and create deeper, more meaningful connections. People choose those who know who they are, what they bring to the table, and aren't afraid to embrace their true selves. Thanks for watching. If you found these insights helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you plan to apply these principles in your own life. Until next time, remember, master your mind, master your life. This is Stoicism of Mind signing off.